Okay, so now first we are going to select the color. So we make background blue to make something like this, and then we need some text. So I'm using dummy text. So here is, I set the default color by clicking these small icons, and this is my heading, and let's suppose I make it like 9 per text regular, and this is my text. Okay, so I move this text to this, and now I have this image and this kind of shape, like I need this kind of shape. So what I do, I simply go to my shape custom shapes and select the polygon tool. Okay, and make new layer, and in this new layer I create this shape. Because first I have stroke, so I set the stroke to none and fill black. So here I have shape like this. Okay, so this shape, I have this shape. So I set this shape to here and press Ctrl T and Command T on Mac to make any shape like this one. Like for learning purpose, okay, so I set this here. Okay, I set the polygon shape, and now I place this shape here, and what I do now, I need image. So I have this dummy image of mine. I copy the image and paste it here. Okay, now as you see, it comes over the layer. So I press alternate and put this image inside this clipping mask. As I said before, we use clipping mask. So here, now this way. Okay, so if I want to move this, if I want to move, okay, so we move this image here by selecting all this like this way. So we select this layer and image together, and now we place this image here like this way, and again I control trans T to transpose the image. Okay, to make any like shape I want. Here I set it here. Now I select my polygon, press Ctrl T, left click and press the wrap. So what this wrap do, that it give me anchor point to like create any shape. Like I drag this and it create the shape like this here. Okay, so I again use the move tool. So here I place this here like this way. Okay, so I place Control T and no, I don't want to move the image, but I want the image and layer both together. So here now I I select my polygon and press Control Transpose to transpose this, and now I again send my image and press Control transpose to transpose my image to make the shape. Okay, so this is my like dummy shape. So this is how you can use wrap, or like I press control transpose, control T, and make sure that you want to if you want to transpose the layer, like I want to transpose the shape, I want to create any shape, so I'm going to use my parent shape, not the child. Like this image is in child and this polygon is in parent's shape. So what I do, I'm going to click on this and press Ctrl T to transpose and click left and use this wrap. Now this wrap allow me to create any shape, like these are the anchor points. I use this like this way, this way to create new shape from this polygon tool. And again select my image and use this. Okay, so now it totally transpose into new shape. You can create these shapes like these shapes and with this transpose tool, or you can then you can use the brushes to make any of the shape you want. Now the next thing I want to teach you, like this thing, what they do in this side with this a border. So you can use the brush tool and select the color, like I select yellow color, and I select after selecting the yellow color, here on the top of the layer 2, I'm going to paste I'm going to use that paintbrush to fill this color like this way. So according to my design, and they are using, like they are using pen designing pen, so like they make the perfect line. But in order to teach you how they do, I'm going to use the simple brush and my mouse. So now this is so hard and dark. So what I do, I simply go to this opacity and reduce the opacity. Okay. So here, this is perfect. So in order to move, I simply select this layer and use my arrows keys, like left arrow key, right arrow key, to just make sure it looks like a design or anything or a shape, right? So this is the method.